Hi, everyone. I'm Cindy Vavasor from Southern Louisiana. I'm a professor of educational technology at Nicholls State University in Thibodaux, Louisiana. And I'm from Southern Louisiana, where Hurricane Ida just came through and interrupted education once again. That's really what I want to start with when talking about why I'm throwing my name in the hat for the ISTE board. Whether it's a global pandemic or a catastrophic Category 4 hurricane, teachers and learners in Louisiana have shown their abilities to overcome adversity. This background that I'm showing you is my master's students, current and graduates. Shortly after the COVID pandemic shut down schools here in Louisiana, one of my students called me so excited. Dr. V, my teachers and administrators finally get what I do, and they understand that I'm not just a technology technician and that I can really guide my teachers and students to use technology in the best ways through this pandemic. So with many schools struggling to go fully online, my rock star students and graduates were able to get their students and their teachers fully online within days. They had the foundational knowledge of the ISTE standards. They were well versed in best practices of ed tech. They knew to put the learning first and allow the technology to support that learning. I have never been so proud of hearing the success stories of my students and former students surrounding ed tech in the pandemic. So once again, my students are needed. In Southern Louisiana today, over 250,000 K-12 students are still not able to go to school because of Ida. I want to serve on the ISTE board so that I can help more teachers learn about the ISTE standards and help bring ed tech to the forefront of teaching and learning. Have a great day.